In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your bank account to QuickBooks Online. We're going to walk you through the steps to seamlessly integrate your banking information, making your financial management simpler and more efficient. Before we begin, make sure you've got the Google Chrome browser open. It's generally recommended as the best choice for accessing QuickBooks Online. First things first, go ahead and open your browser and navigate to QuickBooks Online. Once you've landed on the QuickBooks homepage, you'll need to log in using your account credentials. Simply enter your email and password, then hit enter to get started. Once you're logged in, you'll see a menu on the left side of your screen. Here, we're going to look for either banking or transactions and then select banking from the options provided. This is where we're going to manage our bank connections and transactions. When you're in the banking section, it's time to locate the Add Account button. Typically, you'll find this button at the top right corner of the page. This feature is crucial because it allows you to connect a new bank account to QuickBooks Online. With the Add Account section now open, you'll see a search bar. Here, you can type in the name of your bank or financial institution. QuickBooks is compatible with a multitude of banks, so you're likely to find yours with ease. As you type, suggestions should start appearing based on what you've entered. Select your bank from the list to move forward. Now, you'll need your online banking username and password at the ready. QuickBooks requires you to enter these details just as you would on your bank's login page. It's important to know that QuickBooks takes privacy very seriously, and these details are encrypted to ensure your information stays secure. After entering your login details, follow the prompts that appear. Depending on your bank's security setup, this may involve answering some security questions or entering a verification code sent to your phone or email. These steps are essential to verify your identity and to make sure everything is secure. Next, you'll be presented with a list of your available accounts at the bank you're connecting, such as checking, savings, or credit card accounts. Choose the accounts you wish to link to QuickBooks. Once you've made your selections, look for the Connect or Link button to finalize the setup. Once connected, QuickBooks will do the heavy lifting for you by automatically downloading your recent bank transactions. This means more time for you to focus on other important tasks. You can head to the For Review tab within the banking section to review and categorize these transactions at your convenience. And that's it. You're now set up to manage your finances more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping with QuickBooks Online.